Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be fixing my water dispenser, which is currently broken. It wouldn't stop dispensing water, ice, anything, crushed ice or whatever. Right now I've locked it because that's the only way I can stop it. But yeah, I'm going to show you, like, if I unlock it, it just keeps dispensing and then it wouldn't stop, and you'll have to lock it. So I'm going to be changing the micro switch, which I found some videos online, and they were changing this, which would fix the um, this part here. Okay, so I've had this fridge for almost 8 years, 7 years now. So this could be an issue. It's just been here for 8 years, so we need to change the micro switch. So I'm going to try that. I've never done this before, so wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. All right, let's get started. Okay, so right now, if you can also see the light, let me show you. The light's on because it's broken. Okay, I'm going to place this here and just hold it for 3 seconds. And if you see, it keeps dispensing. And if you open the door, it will stop. But yeah, and now the only way to stop this is just press it and press it for 3 seconds to lock it, and it will stop. So to work on this replacement, I got these double pack, double pack micro switch, yeah, for LG, and then also this tool for, because it's we have to tear this apart. I mean, just disassemble this, and we need these tools for that. So I didn't have one, and I got these. Okay, as you can see, I've turned it off. Now let me try to. Seen people do this. I'm not sure if this is thin enough. Okay, so I really struggled opening this, so I would suggest you, once you have one opening, just like gently go around with this help of this kind of like plastic thing, because I feel like there's some kind of like stuck here, maybe a wire. Just gently just play around with this thing. As you can see, I finally managed to open this. It was really tough for me. I don't know why. Maybe it's my first time, but I really struggled. And yeah, you guys should also have some patience, and don't think it's too easy. For me, at least, it wasn't. So yeah, it's very, very tight. Maybe it's like been 7 years. That's why. Because I think I have to take this out, right? So yeah, there you go. So here's a little thing. So this slides in. It's like small. I'll show you. I'll zoom it and show you guys, because that'll be helpful for you. Clips like that, and then to push, you just have to open this up. That's it. Okay, so this clipping thing here, just press onto that and just gently pull, so that you have to press onto this one and pull it, right? Everyone has that. So if you see that, for instance, if I have to put this back, I would have to press that on, and then just I think this goes behind, yeah, like that. So you see like the spots where you have to go, and then if you have to pull it, you just have to press onto that and just pull this top part, not the bottom. Don't pull this part, right? So pull the top part. Okay, so now let's see. Now the thing is, we have to pull this part. I've already taken this part out. I don't know how to do that. You have to wiggle it a little bit. I think so, because I don't see any screws or anything. So this part goes inside here. So this is what I just took it off. And now I'm gonna try to take this out, but it's just like stuck. All right, so I was finally able to pull this out. And the way you do it is just when it's like that. I know it'll be very stiff, right? And then you just have to wiggle it. Just make sure to wiggle it and just pull it gently. And then you don't have to separate these two parts like I was trying to do it earlier. It's a one part thing. So just put it back like that whenever you're done replacing your micro switch. Now I've already taken this out. Let me see if this will come out or not. Okay.
So here I lost my audio, so I have to do my voiceover. You'll see two screws underneath. The top one I've already taken out at the beginning, but you have to take these out as well for you to move that top part and take that water dispensing button or whatever you want to call that, because the micro switch is behind that little thing. So as you can see here, I'm trying to take the top part, but the top part has the water hose stuck, and then the water hose pipe is so short that you won't be able to take that top part, and you will see in my upcoming video here. So it was very challenging for me to take that water dispensing button or whatever you the kind of like a pedal like a thing. Yeah, it was very difficult, and you must have patience, otherwise you will break it. So, and if you break it, there's no point for you to like fix the micro switch, because if you don't have that the water dispensing thing, then you won't be able to use it. So just have patience, I would say, and then just, if you're not able to do it, then you'll just have to call someone else. But yeah, it was very difficult, and also it will be very difficult for you to put it back. It's not just about taking it out, but also putting it back. So yeah, so you'll see here further. I was able to pull that top part a little bit, but still I was struggling to pull that thing. And for you to possibly do that, what you have to do is you'll need a small screwdriver kind of thing, very small one, and then you have to push that I don't know how to explain it, because it's very like, it's difficult, I'll just say that. But once you get to that point, you'll understand how to take that off, because there's like a hook thing, so you just have to push and then just pull on one side, and then you'll be able to pull the other side. But it's as difficult as it's to pull and to put it back.
Okay, here's a close-up look, and yeah, this is how bad it is after 7 years. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then change the micro switch.
Okay, so the micro switch is out, and this is the old one. Now I'm gonna take that red and white wires out of that and replace with a new one. And you can see it's like corroded, and it has a lot of the battery particles out, and I'm gonna clean that a little bit as well around.
Q-tip here, because you see a lot of what are these called, like battery. Let's see if it works or not. Oh god, that was tough. Okay, you can see that's the situation. Okay, so this one was outside. All right, so this is my new micro switch. Looks brand new. Okay, so there's this two spots here. If you see the bottom one, just place it there, and then on the top you just have to put the screw back. This one should work like that now, like this, but I'm not really sure if it works or not. I'm hopeful, but let's see. Okay, so I finally put this piece here, and I'm not kidding, that was the most difficult part, to take it out as well as put it back. It's very tricky. So guys, all the best. So I'm gonna put everything else now back at place. Okay, so I just turned it on. Moment of truth. Let's see if it worked or not. Woo, it worked. You are happy. Good. Amazing.
You are very
That worked.
Okay, so finally I placed everything back, and I just had a little issue with this not sticking, to the wall, and I really wanted to fix it, so I had pulled everything together, out, and make sure that you have clipped everything together, otherwise it might not look good, on the outside. So I'm so happy I was able to fix this issue, and let me just show you one more time if it's working or not. So now it's not dispensing any water. Okay, that was it, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video. And it was very tough. I would honestly say it wasn't easy at all. I would rather change the filter than have this changed, but not impossible. So within $15 you can have this changed and fix it, instead of like bringing people in and paying like thousands of dollars or even like hundreds of dollars. So yeah, so it was a success. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.